or words. It always needs to be couched in terms of the defendant's conversations with counsel. And I think it was really just a momentary semantics issue more than, it definitely wasn't substantive. You could tell from the fact that he came back in a few minutes later and acknowledged.
Could you talk about the neighbor who talked about her house being broken into by two black males? You didn't go so far as to say, does that, you didn't really mention Trayvon Martin and connecting them particularly, but what was that testimony about, and how did that help your case?
Well, you may not have been aware of this because it was a stipulation, but the last year's worth of burglary and other information that happened in Retreat View Circle is now of evidence. It was by stipulation, so you didn't hear about it. But the jury has to consider the last year's worth of alarms going off, burglaries and whatnot, so they know the context of why George was calling. And she was one of the most recent victims of and quite honestly, one of the most horrific victims of a home invasion where she's got to hide in the corner of a bedroom with her 4-month-old in her hands. And I thought that was necessary to present to this jury.
What happened to the hearing about the restraining orders and the assault on police? She ever ruled about